Hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily resolve the connection error via the server client in Valorant. Now this is a very common issue. I'm going to show you step by step on how to resolve this, so make sure to watch it till the very end so you don't miss any important steps. Now let's get right into it. The first thing that you want to do is go down and close Valorant completely. From there you go down to the start icon right here, you click it and you open up the services. Now you type in services.ms and here you open up the system services. Now what you want to look for is you want to select one, and from there you want to type in VGC right here. Now what we want to do, we want to double click this or right click it and go down to properties. Now inside of properties, what we want to do, we want to change the startup type to automatic right here. Now from there, as you can see, the service status has been stopped. What you want to do, you want to start the service, and as you can see here, Windows is attempting the following service on your local computer. Now it is running. Simply press apply, press OK, and as you can see, the VGC system is running. Now make sure this is set. Now what we want to do next, for the next method, we want to go down to the start icon once again, and we want to type in the system configuration settings. Now here we open up the system configuration, and what we want to do, we want to hop onto the services right here. Now make sure to hide all the Microsoft services, otherwise we might disable something important. Now here you'll want to look for the VGC as well. As you can see here, it's from Riot Games itself. Now make sure it is running. Now here simply make sure this is checked as well, and from there press OK. Now if this isn't running, make sure that all the steps are in the following order, and from there restart your PC. Now this will solve the issue for you. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.